here, and there you have it, the Bell Tower, live from Perth. If you have enjoyed, hit that like button. It is food for the YouTube algorithm. And yes, if this is your first time on here, please hit that like button. We do things like this on a daily basis. So please pledge your allegiance to us and give us your full support. Yes, that's the minimum that you guys can actually do, hitting the like button. You know, honesty and sincerity, and yeah, so that your friends can see things like this when they come to Perth. They will know what to do and how to navigate themselves. And what else? Yes, yeah, the subscribe button is important. It does actually show that people are committed to the channel, looking at the amount of effort that we put into this channel. I was here in the morning before boarding my ferry to Rottnest Island, and now I'm back here in the evening, extremely tired, trying to get you guys the best of Perth at night. So yes, it's not easy. Let the numbers reflect the effort and the hard work. So that's why I am saying, please, in whichever device you are watching from, go log on in, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It does help quite a lot. So yes, I believe that's it. I didn't need to talk too much, to be honest. Stock wasn't needed for this showcasing. I haven't been inside, but I'm aware that you can go inside, but I am out of time in Perth. I don't know how I can get inside. I have to do the Perth Mint tomorrow, which is what the foundation of this channel is, precious metal, gold, silver. So I need to head on into the Perth Mint and see what they have in store for the exhibitors or for the exhibition. I think it's gold tour. So let's see how that one goes, God willing. But anyways, all I can say is a very big thank you to each and every single one of you once again for stopping by, dropping by to view yet another of my travel showcasing videos. And with that, I will definitely see each and every single one of you in my next video. Thank you very much.